When stress leaves you drained, try gently calming your body with food before reaching for medication. Food is not a substitute for treatment, and it cannot erase stress instantly, but healthy choices may support recovery over time. First, dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao. Cacao flavonoids support healthy blood vessels and blood flow to the brain, and may help soften the body's cortisol response to stress. Since chocolate is high in sugar and calories, slowly enjoy just 1 or 2 small pieces a day. Second, omega-3 rich fish, such as salmon or mackerel. Omega-3s help keep brain cell membranes flexible and support serotonin signaling, which plays a role in mood. They may also reduce inflammation and help ease anxious feelings. Aim for grilled or steamed fish about 2 times a week. Third, warm chamomile tea. Chamomile contains apigenin, which interacts with receptors involved in the brain's calming signals. This may reduce tension and help your body prepare for sleep. It cannot guarantee deep sleep, but drinking it regularly before bed can become a signal that it is time to rest. Have a warm, caffeine-free cup about 30 minutes before bedtime. Fourth, magnesium-rich almonds. Magnesium helps regulate overactive nerves and supports muscle relaxation, which may ease stress-related tightness in your shoulders and jaw. A small handful is enough. Chew them well, since eating too quickly may leave you feeling bloated. Last, blueberries. Antioxidants such as anthocyanins help protect cells from stress-related oxidative damage and support brain recovery. Add a handful to yogurt for some extra protein. Also, try getting about 10 minutes of sunlight during the day. When you feel tense, slowly drink a glass of warm water. Small actions can help lower your body's internal alarm. Start with one easy change today. With repetition, your body and mind can learn to relax more easily.